Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. This means new batches for the year 2023 have started. So if you want to start your preparation for the year 2023, then you can connect with us both in online as well as offline mode. If you want to join our offline batches, then I'm dropping some contact details in the description. You can use them to collect your queries about offline batches. If you want to join our online course, then you need to visit the link www.maarula.in. On visiting this portal, you will find a course which is foundation batch. You need to enroll in that course and you are good to go. बहुत सारे बच्चे ये भी पूछते हैं कि फाउंडेशन बैच में हमें कंटेंट क्या क्या मिलेगा. So let's discuss about the content right now. In this course, you will get 2 live classes, one in the morning and the other one in the evening. You will get 5 assignments in a week and two tests in a week. One will be your mock test, which will be conducted on Sunday, and one will be topic wise test. Along with this, you will get some doubt sessions also, in which you can ask your doubts related to assignments or your question papers, anything what you want to ask. So this was all about foundation course. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more regular updates.